Hi everyone, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to use Command Expert to control VSA software. So in this setting, VSA software is treated like just another instrument, and you can control it using SCPI command. So prior to that, let's go through one by one. First of all, you need to set up VSA software to be able to be seen by the software Command Expert. So first of all, we go to Utilities and SCPI Preference. Make sure that that HiSlip is clicked, and here's the example address. Let's make it. Let's copy exactly the same. Just Control C, copy that. Then we turn on the IO library. So in order for this to work, IO library is essential, and you can download that from Keysight.com. All right, so let's go there and add in a LAN instrument. So I will do this, just copy and paste everything and make sure, because this is just a local host. I haven't tried local host yet, but I just go according to what being recommended over here. Go to HiSlip 1, and test the VSA address. So everything is verified and we're good to go. And once we're done, we should see a green tick. Let's close that. Now let's close this. Let's go to Command Expert. So just a brief run through. Command Expert is just a software that consists of every SCPI command available for that instrument. So it's a soft copy of a SCPI command programming guide. So you can actually download from Keysight.com. Just type Command Expert. And the best thing of all is that it's free. Let's go to trial license, detail, and download. And just download and install it. So once you're done, this is what you're going to see here. So to connect to the instruments, make sure that it's running. Actually, even without the instruments running, you can actually simulate that or the SCPI command for that. So how to add in the VSA software is to go to New Instruments, connect to Real Instruments, and this is the one that we just did. This address, and current version is 25. So this is the one that we're going to choose the closest to it, and just click next, and add to my instruments. So the step was to download the driver. If the driver is not found, it will take some time to download. And once you've done that, you can actually connect or simulate. So for this case, we want to control the changes of this frequency, center frequency, and then we want to make sure that it changes according to our sequence. So we just go to connect, and we are ready to go. So one of the things, let's say the simplest of all, is change the center frequency. Let's just put frequency, and it's a bit too small, so just drag it around. So center frequency, you can actually query it. Okay, currently it's 1 gig, which is correct. And we can send a command, change the value. So let's change it to 2 gig. So 2E9 as that. So as you can see that it has changed. And we don't want this. Yeah, we can leave it there. Don't worry. Then we add on another things. Let's change the span. Let's set it to 10 meg, 10E6. There we go. So everything has changed, and let's just check for fun. Let's set it to 5 gig. Okay. And one thing I want to show you is that you can actually play this sequence again, or you can highlight it and just play those sequence that you want. Yeah, just shift and click. Then you can play selected step. Another thing is that you can play multiple loops. We call it iterations. So we can actually do it like this. Let's say we run 4 loops, and then we get a minimum time, and then we profile it. So this is where you see which step is causing the highest amount of time for processing or even for sending. So one last thing I want to show you is from here. Once you're satisfied with the sequence here, what you can do is to export the sequence. So as you can see, we have multiple languages, programming language that we can do export. One of it is MATLAB, Python, C#, .NET, VB.NET. So let's say you want to go with Python. You have to make sure that you have installed VSA. Then once you've done that, just either you copy to the clipboard and put in your Python IDE, or you can save it as a file. Right, that's it for this round. Thanks for watching.